Hi guys, let's make village style rava brinjal fry. Take 2 brinjals and then slice it. Soak it in water and add little salt. Take 1 egg, add pinch of salt and mix it well. Add semolina in a plate. Then add red chili powder and turmeric powder. Mix it well. And coat the brinjal slices. Heat a pan, then add little oil and then fry brinjal slices. Enjoy this delicious brinjal rava fry. If you like this recipe, then comment below, like, share and subscribe for more yummy recipes.